everyone, welcome to Terra Spatial. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do hillshade analysis in QGIS. So as you can see here, this is nothing but my digital elevation data, so which I downloaded from the Earth Explorer USGS. This is being produced using the SRTM sensor. So now we just move on to the hillshade analysis. So hillshade can provide very useful information about the sunlight at a given time of the day, but it can also be used for aesthetic purposes to make the map look better. So let us see how to do the hillshade using the digital elevation data. So go to the option raster and select analysis. Here you can find the option hillshade. Select the hillshade. After selecting hillshade, in the input layer we need to input the digital elevation data. So if you hadn't added the file to the QGIS, you can press this button and you can browse the data and add it. And you can see here we are going to just leave the Z factor as it is 1. So you can see here azimuth of the light and altitude of the light. So we just move to the browser and we just check it. So you can see the azimuth is nothing but is the angular direction of the sun measured from north in clockwise degrees from 0 to 360. An azimuth of 90 degree is east, and commonly the default azimuth is 315 degrees. You can see the altitude. Altitude is the slope of the angle of the illumination source above from the origin. The units are in degrees, as you can see here, from 0 to 90 degrees. The default is 45 degree. So you can see here 0 to 90 degrees. So these are the examples. You can set accordingly based on your need. You can set this azimuth and altitude of the light. So now I am going to leave it going to leave it in a default setting. And now finally you can see the option hillshade. Here you can save the file temporarily, or otherwise you can save to the file. Here let me give a name for this file, hillshade. Save it and hit the button run. So the process has been completed. So you can see here this is our hillshade. Watching. If you have any other doubts, please do ask in the comment section. Please do subscribe the channel. Goodbye everyone.